Shivali and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing well. For this week's video, I'm going to be trying out a meal replacement bar. So these are made by a company called Human Food, and they're described as the world's first organic daily nutrition bar. So Human Food makes the point that these are not a snack. So I know I regularly have like cereal bars or protein bars on the go to keep me going, but these are actually nutritionally complete on their own. So they've got all the vitamins, minerals, fruits, vegetables, etc. that you would get from a normal meal contained in one little bar. So to test them out properly, I'm going to be replacing my lunches this week with the bars. So there's 3 different types of bar, as you can see in here. There is red, yellow and green. So the red bar, the key ingredient is goji berry. The yellow one, the key ingredient is turmeric, and the green one, the key ingredient is spirulina. I can never say that properly, spirulina. But they all contain the same seeds, fruits, nuts, etc. They're around 240 calories each, which isn't a lot for lunch. I usually have like a sandwich or salad or something that's probably more than 240 calories. So I'm really interested to see if having these is enough to keep me sustained for lunch and keep me going until dinner time, or whether I'll have to be having extra snacks in between to keep me going. So today is Monday, it is now almost 12 o'clock, so it's almost time for lunch. So I thought I would have my first bar on camera with you, let you know what they're like, and then throughout the week, every time I try a new flavour, I'll film what I think about that. And then at the end of the week, I will do a little roundup video about my thoughts. So I'm gonna start by trying one of the red ones, which is the goji berry ones. So they're pretty small, as you can see. I'm not sure that that looks like it could be enough for a full lunch, but they say that is enough. So open that up there. Okay, as you can see, you can see the goji berries in it. It looks pretty dense. You can see a lot of other seeds and nuts and stuff in there. Looks pretty good, but yeah, let's give it a taste. Wow. As I said, pretty dense, so apologies for the long chewing. It's really good though, really tasty. It's like a good balance of savoury and sweet. I know sometimes these bars can be a bit sickly, but that's really nice. I'm still chewing. So yeah, even though they're small, they're pretty dense. And I think it will take me a while to get through that. So yeah, I'm gonna munch my way through this, crack on with my day, and I will check back with you tomorrow when I probably try the turmeric one. So yeah, let's see how this goes for this week, if it plays any havoc on my energy levels, or whether I could easily replace my lunches with Human Food bars more regularly. Check back in with you tomorrow. Please excuse my slightly disgusting, sweaty appearance, but it is day 2 and I thought I would do a quick update about how I'm feeling having done 2 days of the meal replacement bars now. I'm actually surprisingly full off of them, as you can tell by my disgusting appearance. I've just done a workout and didn't actually feel like I was really tired, which I kind of expected, given that the bars are only 250 calories. So far so good. They're really filling, and I think the fact that they're so dense means that when you eat them, they really take a while to kind of process, and you do feel like you're having a meal. So it's only day 2, so I'm not going to count my eggs before they've hatched. Or is it count my chickens before they've hatched? Mixing up my metaphors there, but yeah, day 2, and I'm really enjoying them so far. So I will check back in with you tomorrow when I try a new flavour, and let you know how I'm feeling on my meal replacement bars. So you'll have to excuse my shocking filming angle, but I'm out for the day today. It is 32 degrees in London, which if you're from the UK, you'll know that is ridiculously hot. So normally I would probably bring a picnic with me if I'm out and about and it's this hot, but I'm staying true to my word and I have swapped my usual delicious picnic lunch out for one of the yellow human food bars. So I've already tried the red ones, but this is the first time I'm trying the yellow one. So they have the same basic ingredients, which is hemp seeds, dried banana, dates, apple juice, apricots, lots of fruits and seeds and nuts, but this has turmeric in it. So normally I would associate turmeric with Indian food. I'm half Indian, so I'd usually use it when I'm making a curry, so I'm not sure how well it's gonna go in a kind of cereal bar, but yeah, let's have a little taste and see. It looks exactly like the red one. As you can see, it's pretty dense. You can see all the kind of seeds and nuts and stuff in it. But we'll have a little try and see. Okay. It's okay. Yeah, it tastes a lot like the other one. They've got all three of the same basic ingredients, but this does have a bit of a kind of twang of kind of curry taste to it, which is the turmeric, obviously. So maybe if you prefer more savoury snack bars, you'd like this one. Sorry, this is horrible me eating with my speaking with my mouth open, but they're really, really dense, so it's hard not to. Okay, yeah, I'd much prefer the goji berry one to this, but that's kind of personal preference. If you're the kind of person who much prefers more savoury things, this might be more up your street. It's not like I'll still eat the whole thing. I'm not like a hater or anything, but yeah, I think the kind of base of dates, bananas, seeds, etc. probably goes better with the goji berries, in my opinion. I'm obviously out and about today, so this is actually quite handy to just grab. I can imagine that if you're the kind of person who has a busy job outdoors, it'd be quite useful just to have this on the go. But yeah, I would rather have a picnic. So this is my final day of the week of meal replacement bars, and for my final one I'm going to be trying the green one, which is made from spirulina. So as I said yesterday, they've all got the same basic ingredients, but this one has added spirulina. So I opened it up and again it looks exactly the same as the other two. You can see there, really dense. You can see all the nuts and seeds and stuff, but it does have a slight green tinge to it. So it tastes very similar to the other two, but it's a little bit more savoury, which is quite nice. I like the goji berry one, but it is quite sweet, so it might be nice having like a savoury one every once in a while. So I'm going to finish that off, and then tomorrow when I have gathered my thoughts, I will do a quick review of my week, how I've been feeling, which ones I liked the best, and I'll check back in with you then. So I've now completed my week of meal replacement bars, so I thought I'd do a little video at the end, kind of giving you my opinion on them and whether I would try them again. So first of all, I want to say I'm actually really impressed with the human food bars. I've previously tried meal replacement drinks, so you've probably heard of Soylent or Huel, and I found it really hard seeing a drink as my meal replacement. It just doesn't feel that kind of fulfilling. So I think the fact that they come as like a solid bar makes them a lot more kind of fulfilling when you eat them. I mentioned a few times that they're pretty dense, so they take you a while to eat them, which actually makes them more kind of meal-like, rather than quickly nibbling through it and feeling like you're still hungry. They're also really filling. At the beginning I was worried because they're only around 250 calories, that they really wouldn't leave me feeling full, but they actually really did. I didn't need any extra snacks in the day, and while I was hungry by dinner time, I wasn't like absolutely ravenous and like dying to cook my food as quickly as possible. In terms of the flavours, I think I actually liked the spirulina one the best. They've all got the same base ingredients, but have slight variations. So the spirulina one I liked because you still had the sweetness from the basic kind of like banana and seeds and fruits, but the addition of spirulina meant that it was a little bit more savoury. The goji berry one was really good as well. Turmeric wasn't my favourite, but I easily would have eaten it as well. They're all really subtle flavours. If you were doing it regularly, you might want a bit more variation. That's one thing I'd say. I get that having the same base means that they're all got the same nutrients and giving you all the vitamins and minerals you need. But I think if you were having them every day for more than a week, it would get pretty repetitive. In terms of price, they're not the cheapest of bars. So a box of 10 costs you £33, which means obviously £3.30 per bar. So if you're thinking of it as like a fuel bar, that's fairly expensive. But if you're thinking of that as a replacement for lunch, I don't think it's ridiculous. And they've also got subscription options available, which would save you a little bit of money. So for me, I don't think I would do a full week of it again. But I think it's a great kind of bar to have in your bag, like should you be out and about and not have time to have a proper lunch. The fact that it's got all your vitamins and minerals in one bar, you would feel like you're actually having something substantial rather than just having like a cereal bar and feeling like you've missed a meal. So yeah, I would definitely recommend trying them. I will leave a link to their website in the description box below if you do want to try them. And if you'd like to see me try any other meal replacement bars or nutrition bars in the future, then please let me know in the comments below. If you haven't already, I'd really appreciate if you could subscribe. I do new science and technology videos every week. So if you're the kind of person who enjoys those, then yeah, subscribe and you can make sure you watch them every week. Anyway, thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.